Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to open up my GreenStalk boxes. I got one from Botanical Interest, and then I got one from the GreenStalk people. So we're going to open them up and let you guys see. So I'm going to set you guys down. How did she put y'all on the tripod? So y'all up a little bit higher. Up a little bit higher. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see. I think I can see. This is the one I got from Botanical Interest cause it says Botanical Interest on the box. And this one was a gift. So let's open it up. And I put a link of it below. You remember when I edit? Oh, this. Oh, yes. So, and they gave me a 10% off coupon, which is nice. This Epic Gardener. Couldn't remember the name of them. I remember the name of the seed company because I buy those. But Epic Gardening. And look what he sent me. I got these hard sale trays. I've been wanting some of these, and it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. An 8-pack. It only was supposed to come with one of these, but I got 2 4 seed trays. Yep, sure did, and I am excited about that. So I have these. Those are the ones that everybody been using with the holes on the bottom. Can y'all see that? Put it closer. These is his trays. I think they're sort of like the bootstrap farmer ones. But I'm not for sure because I don't have those. I just have the bootstrap farmer, the regular pots. I don't have these, but they feel like them. So I'm excited about that. And I got this color, and it came with this. Which these things are $60. GreenStalk had them on sale, and I missed the sale for $30. So the other one that I got does not have a spinner, but I want to get the spinner somehow, some way. Maybe I get gifted the spinner. But like I said, this is the original with the deep pockets. So you get the same thing, the same GreenStalk book that GreenStalk sends you. So that's cool. And you know, the trays, and then the tube. The only thing you don't get is that packet with the seeds and what they send you, the seeds and stickers. So you don't get that. But that's cool because I got those trays. So I'm happy about that. And the spinner. And I think this gift set was $149 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it doesn't say because it's a Pickens ticket, so it's not the actual receipt. But if I'm not mistaken, that's how much it was. So I'm happy about that, and I have 2 new GreenStalks to fill. I got some soil to fill them with, and I'm gonna put also some cocoa core in it with it so that it can hold the moisture, because it gets too hot here in the summer and they dry out, and I don't want that for me. I want these things to work because the first one I got is not working, but I think it's because it gets too hot and they dry out. Okay, so that's the first one, and I'm happy about my 8 sales. I can plant a lot in this, so when I plant later on this week, I'm going to use that, and I'm going to compost these in my garden. So let's open up the second box. I don't think, well, we get to see what seeds I got. I tore my address off of all these boxes. Because I'm not trying to put my focus on it. But I'm excited about trying to grow in these things with the correct soil and see if it does better for me. Because oh, you open this up and you got your address on the inside. I forgot they do that. But that's what they put, that packing slip there. I'm assuming that's what that is. But we don't want that shown. We'll put it closer. So same type of paper. And then this green, which is my favorite color, green. Green is my favorite color. Oh, now they put it in a little envelope with a sticker. So let's see if we got seeds this time. My friend got her. She said she didn't get seeds. De-stressor, GreenStalks Garden. Okay, this must be what she got. It's an antioxidant, vigorous, defend against heat, drought, and cool temperatures. De-stressor, protect from nature's stressor. So this must be some, I think we're rooting for you. So this must be some new kind of fertilizer or something. But that's what we got. And my stickers. Let me come up close and show you what my stickers are. My shoes came off. But this is upside down. So this is what we got in the package. Is what it does. A plant antioxidant that promotes consistent growth and overall more vigorous plants by solubilizing phosphate in the soil to increase abiotic stress tolerance and recovery. Additional available phosphate helps the plants defend against drought, excess heat, and cooler temperatures. Used on all flowers, plants, and gardens in every stage of growth. Shake well by opening. Add to 2 gallons of water. So how much is this? A half an ounce goes in 2 gallons of water. So I guess it's sort of like fish emulsion, but it's not anything except for phosphate. Okay. So it's the P. The NPK. It's just the P. So, yeah, whatever. I don't know if I'll be buying anything that's just P. And then for my stickers, I got beets. And it's like deal. It's like a deal flower. What does it say? GreenStalks Garden, it doesn't say. But it looks like deal. So we got a deal. And, oh, it's a beet and a turnip. So beet and a turnip. I'll turn up the beets. That's cute. So I got that. I like that stickers. I put them on my garden book. But the only thing I got in here is that same book that we got in the other one. Yeah, it looks the same. That same book for the vertical planter. Then the trays. And oh, if you don't get the spinner, you don't get that tube. I didn't get the tube. This tube. And I use this tube in the hose when I'm put my soil in. I stick this over it so that the soil doesn't get down in the hose and get down in this tray here. This is the water tray. So on the green part right there, I stick it like this. See it? See, I stick it on there on the top, and then I fill it up, and it doesn't get soil everywhere and go down here and get it in the water trays. But looks like they're starting to put more drainage holes in the bottom, because I don't remember the other ones having that many holes in them. The first one that I got. But it may have. It's just been a while. And my last one I didn't plan out. My friend planned it out for me. But anywho, that is it for the unboxing of my GreenStalks. Got the soil for them, so I'm going to fill them up. And I want to put, what did I say I was going to put in there? Oh, I got some onions that I want to plant that I have over there. So I'm going to fill one up with onions, because I might can get 2 onions per hole, maybe. May just can get 1. I don't know. I'm gonna try to put 2 onions per hole and use that bunch of onions. What I have left, I'm gonna get to my neighbor. I might just put 1 and give them to her because I got a bunch of onions planted out there. I need to go fertilize them with some fish emulsion, and then I don't know what I'm gonna put in the other one. I'm gonna get it ready. I want to plant some more greens. Those greens are moving quite slow because it's cold. I planted them too late, but still I want to have greens planted and cabbage planted once it gets a little bit warmer. Probably plant them out in January, February, once it start warming up just a little bit. But I'm gonna start some in the house and plant those out, and then I'll have some for once the spring gets here. I got some, I think that's 45 or 65 days or something like that. So I'm gonna plant those out, use those seeds to plant out rather, so that I can get some early heads. Hopefully I get some. It's some I never planted before. I got them from Free Seeds, I think it's called. I put it across the bottom. I can't remember what it's called. Something's Free Seeds, where you pick off for a list and send them the whole list in alphabetical order, and then you make a donation. So I think I got 30 packs of seeds. I sent them $30 for a donation. Some people probably don't send any money, but I figure I should pay $1 a pack of seeds because it's fair. But anywho, all right. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel for Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is because I don't know which day I'm going to put this up. But thank you for stopping by my channel for Vlogmas. And I look forward to seeing you in my very next video. Mañana. Bye-bye.